Hello friends, you are most welcome to OJPRD once again, and today we are going to talk about the opportunities of job in the Amazon company. So everybody you know about the Amazon because it's a very big e-shopping website in all over the world, and it is the most top rated website for delivering the products to all over the world. So if we are talking about the job opportunity of amazon.com, so we will see here the warehouse and shoppers there have too much job in amazons because of they have the powerhouse. It means a warehouse where the numbers of products are kept safely, and they from there we have to pick up and deliver at the destination. So for that we are going to show you many things about this amazon.com, that how you can get the job in amazon.com as a houseware and a shopper. So let's begin with this. Today I am going to talk you about first of all amazon.com job. So if you are interested for looking or you are just wondering about the job in the amazon, so let's begin with this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos and more updates if you are new in our channel. So let's begin with this amazon.com. You have to visit this website. I have provided the link in the description if you want to visit in this website to apply for the job application in the amazon.com. So what you have to require and how you can be able to apply for this job. Let's begin this. First of all, find warehouse and shoppers roles at Amazon. No resume or previous work experience required. Get alert for early fulfillment role in the US by testing early to 77088. Stop to output OTP out T&C privacy policy. Find job in houseware. For the example I am telling you, if you are the person of the India, so you have to go in the location and you have to write here India. When you will write here India, so here you will get the job information, all the notification about the job in the systematic manner. So you can see here in the Mangalore virtual customer service associates is required. You can see here post March 2020, update 3 months ago. So like same wise you will get all the info about the job here. Coordinator Hyderabad, Noida, virtual customer service, Pune, India, Chandigarh, Indore. You can see here virtual customer service Indore. For the example, if you are taking about this example virtual customer Indore, so we have to click here. You can see here all the eligibility criteria, everything is written here. You have to simply read all the such a condition, and if you are suitable for this all the conditions here, then simply you have to do what you have to go and apply here. When you will come to click this button apply now, so you will find here the another interface which is like this. Here all the terms and conditions or rules and regulations, everything is given here. Only you have to I accept here, and you have to do continue. After doing the continue, what actually you will get, you have to register here, or otherwise if you already have registered, so you have to log in here. Then afterwards you have to complete your all the formalities, all the documents verifications, you have to do it here. And after all wait for the call or the interview. After you have to getting in the touch with the email in 24 hours or in a 48 hours, you will finally get the call and you can talk with them. Let's cross the interview. Maybe it's telephonic or sometimes they are taking in the front of it. So hope you have think so. You have to simply apply this and get ready for the interview. After qualifying this interview, you will finally get the job in the Amazon sector. So this is the things, and today I am going to show you one thing here. I am providing the link here. You can see here this is the link, so I am going to provide you in the description also. So friends, if you are interested for the job opportunity in the Amazon, so don't wait for so much time, just apply from this website. And finally thanks for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed a lot of this my video. Subscribe this channel for more videos and for more notifications. So thank you for watching us. Like this, share this. Bye bye, take care, have a good day.